So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is in continuation of the previous class. Last class में हमने अल्फ़ाबेट्स सीखे हैं और मैंने आपको वोकैबलरी करवाई थी. इस क्लास में मैं आपको फ्रेंच एक्सेंट्स करवाने वाली हूँ. So let's get started. So les accents français. So first accent is l'accent aigu, which is placed only on E. So guys, first of all understand what are accents. Accents are certain symbols which we put on vowels, which actually change the pronunciation of word. So first accent, in the accent aigu, its symbol is like this. Like if I write E here, so l'accent aigu would be like this. We place it like this. We place it only on E. So the sound of E is A without accent. But if I put accent on E, the accent aigu, it will become A. Okay, the sound would be A. Now suppose if I write ME, this would be Ma, but with accent, the sound would be Me. Understood? Okay. Now if I write the TE without accent, it would be the. But with accent, the sound would be te. So understood? The sound of accent aigu is A. Okay? Now if I write one word, père. Père means the father. Le père, the father. Okay? La mère means the mother. The sound of accent aigu is A. Okay, clear? Now let's move to next accent. Okay, so next accent is l'accent grave. Its symbol is like this, like an obtuse angle. It is placed either on E, A or U. Okay, now let's understand this accent. When we put this accent grave on A and U, the sound doesn't change. Okay, here A, the sound of A is A. Without accent, if I write LA, the sound is La. Now if I put accent grave on A, so without accent is A and with accent LA is again La. So LA without accent is La and LA with accent grave is again La. So sound doesn't change when we put l'accent grave on A and U. Okay, now you have understood that the pronunciation of the letter doesn't change if we put accent grave on A and U, but the meaning gets changed. Here LA without accent, its meaning is the, but here LA with accent, the pronunciation is same but the meaning is there. Now you can understand LA without accent is the, but LA accent is there, accent grave is there. Here the meaning is there. So this is the only difference. Now let's understand with U. Okay. Now you can see on OU there is no accent. Sound is U. And OU with accent, again the sound is U. But the difference is the meaning. OU without accent is or, the meaning is or, and OU with accent, the meaning is where. Got it? Okay, now let's understand with E. So E if I don't put any accent, so the sound is a. But if I put l'accent grave, so it will become, the sound will become a. So TE without accent is the, and PE with accent is pe. Okay, clear? ME. ME, the sound is ma. ME, if I put accent grave on E, the sound will be me. Okay, so let's quickly revise. When we put accent aigu on E, the sound is A, and when we put accent grave on E, the sound is A. Clear? Let's understand with few examples. For example, PARLE, parle, the sound is parle. Now if I put this accent here, I have put this accent, this is accent aigu. So now the sound would be parler, parler. So accent aigu, the sound would be parler. Now the next word, PERE, per. In French, we call it as pair. Here, the accent, which accent is used? Here, the accent grave is used. So, the sound would be pair. Clear? So, let's revise again. Accent aigu, the sound is A. Accent grave, the sound is A. Understood? So guys, revise these accents which we have learnt today. In the next class, we'll continue with this only accent. Till then, okay, bye-bye.